Okay, guys. Yeah, just want to teach you how to trade the FTSE markets. We're just using the basic instruments. That is the support. That's the simple moving average of the 50 days simple moving average. Basically, I want to trade a very short term period at 2 minute time frame, and I will basically I gonna trade this using the simple moving average as a guideline, plus some of the support and resistance which I have drawn in the day chart and in the week chart to guide me along this trading strategy of today's moving directions of the FTSE index. At the moment, the FTSE index has been retreated massively since the hours open. Today is actually the 18th of January, 2016. It managed to rebound once when the market dropped to the level of the 57.65. It rebounds back to a resist zone that is 5,900, and then from there the market start to retreat and drop. Okay, so as you can see, all these lines how you see here, all this green color line is actually from the basically is from the day chart support and resistance from a day chart, and the orange lines from the week, and then the blue lines are from the month. Okay, so I draw it all out, line it all up, and then I'm gonna go into the 2 minute time frame, and using that as a guideline, I'm going to trade according to the instruction of the simple moving average. As you can see now, is the index rebounds from this area of 5,700, rebounds to 5,720, and already here it's got a tremendous rejection, and the price is beginning to retreat. I will wait until that candle to be closed to decide where to go. Of course, at the moment, I expect the index to return back down, and the support area is here at 5,660. Okay, so my target at the moment is around this level, but I have to wait for this candle to finish the 2 minute time frame, and I will trade based on the signals of this candle. If this candle remains a engulfing candles at 2 minutes, that will be a signal for me to go along to sell. I'm doing a 10 stake per pip. I'm gonna take away this profit zones because when you trading in such a short time frame, there's not really need to estimate where the profit take is. It's just basically the profit take will based on the movement of the candles or the shape of the candles. At this point, I have noticed the red candle is pretty long, so when I catch on the next candle, I'll probably have to wait a little bit for it to rebound back up to around this point. So now I'm gonna draw a. I'm gonna give a color and use support resistance based on 3 minutes, based on 2 minutes, and I'm gonna give it a yellow color, thin line, so it wouldn't distract me too much. And then I'm gonna use this to guide me along. As long as the rebounds of this green not going above this, then to me it's a signal to sell. So I'm gonna wait a little bit longer now. So this is giving me a confirmation of the downtrend begin again. It's underneath the simple moving average. It's not crossing over to above it. So it's still moving under the pressure of this downtrend. And now the index got small little corrections coming up. And let's see how it reacts when it touches this area. It should be a okay, it's kind of reject a little bit, so that's good. Now I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, see can it able to touch it. If we touch it, that's the time when I will go for a sell. Okay, here we go. The sell is on, and then straight away I will click into and then I will. So I'm getting ready to close. Uh, with such a short time frame, any profit that is good enough, any profit that is attractive enough, I will probably will just take. Just wait a little bit longer now, as the market is as the market is pushing the index back down. And at the moment, I'm already making £39. So I'm pretty happy with this. I mean, when you think about it, it was just like a few seconds of trading. So that's it. £54 in the pocket. Now I'm gonna wait a little bit longer as the market usually pushed the index back up again, and there will be another try. I will not trade the rebounds as the market is so weak. I will probably go for the rebounds when the price or the index climbs above this simple moving average. So as long as the simple moving average is going downhill and the index trading underneath it, wherever there's a rebound, is I'm aiming for a sell. Here we go again. See how the index climb back up. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer to confirm because it seems like this, yeah, this candle might have a strong power to push it a little bit higher towards the simple moving average line. Take away the profit margin again. Yeah, it's gone up. It's reaching higher. Okay, so once it's touching the simple moving average, it will be another sell for me. Okay, almost there. Give a few more minutes, few more seconds. Yep, nice, nicely. Yes, go for it. That's it. So there you go. Click into those triangles. Now, where am I going to stop loss if things goes wrong? Well, for me, the stop loss will be above this orange line, which is based on the um, week chart. Yeah, it's doing pretty nice now. Moving nice, pushing it down, back down nicely. Getting myself ready. If things not looking so bright, I will just have to stop it. Okay, looking good. Give it a few more minutes. Right. Okay, about here. Right. Good. That has now £64 into the account. So two trays already making £100. Now I'm gonna wait now because it's touching this support, which is climb over, and now it's become a support. I have to wait and see will it return to touch the simple moving average again. So get myself ready. Take away the profit, and then set myself ready to trade again. Once it's touched the simple moving average. Bear in mind, this candle here is already tried to break it. So the next candle climbs, it will become kind of like weakened. So there may be a chance for the index to climb above it. And once that happens, then I will trade the opposite side, which is expecting to for the index to climb higher. But as long as the simple moving average is controlling the index below it, then I will trade as a sell. Okay, as index continue falling further, I do not chase the price. So what I do wait for the price to climb up before I make the sell. chasing the price is not good because every time people chase the price, the index always kind of like goes the opposite because it was too late. Basically, it's just too late. Okay, I'm gonna make myself a little signal again because that's the point. The turning point was for this trade in 2 minutes. So I'm gonna mark this point and I'm gonna make a little remark on this point on here. So this kind of reversing areas actually helps me to guide me along while I'm doing this short period trading. Okay, it's going back up again. Let's hope it touches the simple moving average. So I go for another one, another sell. No, it's not. Do not go against the simple moving average because the only thing that can guide me along to know where the direction is going is basically based on the simple moving average. So without this line of simple moving average, I would not have a clue where the direction is. So respect that simple moving average. Always trace along with it. That's why people say that trend is your friend. So there may be a little kind of bounce when the index touch this support, bounce back up, probably touch the simple moving average, and come back down again. So I just have to wait for that to happen. There's nothing I can do now except waiting. That's why trading index or trading forex is like fishing. You spend more time waiting than actually doing the trading. So early on, it was here that I make a sell, and it was here that I make another sell. Before 60. While the index has continued to move lower, let's see what that be. Will there be a rebound occur over here? It comes all the way back up here to touch the simple moving average. Too many people trading the index by guessing where the end of the downtrend or when will be the end of the uptrend. Um, Trading is not supposed to be guessing. When you guess, usually is always wrong. We need to have signs. We need to draw out the map so that we know exactly how the movement is, where the location is. Um, so by marking out the way I'm doing on this chart, I have a grid line that I know where about there could be a turning point and where about there could be a selling point. That's why I can manage to estimate the possibility of a rebound occur. Even though I could estimate it, I wouldn't dare to go for it because the trend is going down. Okay, so again, it's touching the resistance, which it has been pushing the index down before. So maybe this is a good area to go for it. But I'm gonna wait until it's touching the simple moving average. Give a few more seconds. If it doesn't, then maybe it's a the strong resistance area here for 2 minute chart. Then I will just hit it on the next candle. So wait till that candle to finish to confirm what I have seen is in this chart. You got to let the candles to complete and confirm it. Otherwise, you are going for guessing work. And guessing works always makes people lose their money because there's no way you could guess where the direction of the moving index. You got to use those lines that you draw, the basic simple moving average, to guide you along. And always wait for the candle to complete its course before you decide what to do with the next candle. Okay, so there you go. The candles returning back up. Now this, see, that shows, right, that the power of this line has some significance resistance. And therefore, on the next candle, I have the confidence to go for sell based on what it happens on the previous candle. So it's now making 7. Okay, £22. Let's go for, well, I'm aiming at this level here. The index, if reach this level support, I will be getting out of the trade. And probably should be another £50. Okay, just give a few more minutes. Wait till the candle ends. Okay. If the candles spin spin back up and goes above this green, I also will close the trade. Just in case it climbs back up, I'm making my trade as in a profit ends up in a loss. I don't want that to happen. Okay, here we go. £14 this time. So here was, remember, it's going to be a lot of waiting. Okay, you got to enlarge it to show it more clear. Okay, I'm going to do 2 more. So hopefully with this basic trading, okay, let's go get ready because again, it's almost touching the simple moving average. Missed it just by a little bit. Never mind. There's always opportunities, so there's no need to kind of like rush into a trade. Okay, this is good because this candle shows that the market is pushing the the index actually moving further down. So all this buying here was not able to push the index back up. So the market is still weak, still controlling by the simple moving average. So the next candle is going to be another sell. Okay. At this point, I'm going to move this a little bit higher because that was a turning point. This is a perfect place. That's where the simple moving average and the support and resistance line is being met. So if the index climbs back up to this area, it will be a good area to make a sell. Okay, getting ready. Once touch the support and resistance here, that's where I'm gonna make a sell. Hopefully the simple moving average will also be in touch then. Again, don't be greedy as the index in these 2 minutes moving in a range. It's not actually going down in a direction, it's moving in a range. So we just like trading in within the range. Well, as you can see, for the last 8 minutes, the market's been selling this index. So it looks like this support area is weakened. The pressure of this simple moving average is coming down. So the next few candle will probably break this support and then push the index to this level. So once that breaks, it will be a signal of selling. I'm getting myself ready for it, but I will not trade this candle. It's going to be the next candle to confirm it. If it breaks, I sell, or I will sell when it touches the simple moving average. So there's 2 point, two areas that I'm looking at. That's here and here. And if I sell here, I expect the index to come down to around this area. Okay, that's good. I would prefer him to climb up and then sell because the profit will be greater then. Nope, that green is not a signal, so I wouldn't go for it. For candle to be a signal, it's got to be reaching those points which I have mentioned. Okay, this candle is going to break the support. Yep, the next candle will be the one that I need to go for it. If the candle closes below the support. No, not yet. Yep, it's breaking it. Yep, it's looking good. Oh, see, it's like just like fishing, isn't it? Just like fishing. So if you're into fishing, you probably will enjoy trading as well. The more it's hitting the support, the weaker it gets. Now that is a signal of bellowing. Okay, but I will wait a little bit longer. Okay, it looks like the support now has become a resistance. Wait, wait, wait. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah, yeah. That is a sell signal. In this one, I might have to risk a little bit because there is a chance for the index to climb and touch the simple moving average. There may be a chance there. So the stop loss will be above the simple moving average if things that go wrong. But looking good. Let's have a look. Getting ready to take the profits whenever we reach down to the areas around £50. Okay, I should have waited, but nevertheless, it's going towards a simple moving average. And probably instead of, let's see how it goes. Once it's break this simple moving average, moving towards this resistance, I will have to treat this as my stop loss for this trade that I have made. One thing about going for the sell is that there's a pressure coming down from simple moving average. Okay, and every single minute that goes past, this simple moving average are pushing the index downwards. So it kind of helped me along. So even though I making a loss right now with this trade, yeah, I'm not give it up yet because the moving simple average is slowly coming down and pushing it. So hopefully it will continue to push the index. At the moment, probably will bounce around these areas, making a little loss. But given some time, hopefully the simple moving average will push the index down to this area to turn this loss into a profit. Looking better now. That's good. Closing below this support. Then I need to make a little mark on here because that's a turning point again. That was good. The trouble is this is a turning point. So to confirm this is going to be a winning trade, the index must break this support. As you can see from the previous minutes, the index is not able to climb above it. So indicates that I'm still at the correct direction. So with that kind of confidence, I'm not going to give up on this trade yet. Okay, so now I'm only making 20 pence lost. So let's hold that. Oh, yes, good. It's turning into a profit now. But I'm expecting to break this support. Let's hope that it will break it in the next candle or the next few. Come on. That's good. That's good. See, once it breaks this candle, the index should go straight to this area here. Good. Good job. £17. I could take that because I got in the wrong place. I should have sell here. But I'm gonna wait a little bit longer and see how it go with the next candle. Because it looks like this one's gonna break this and gonna land it somewhere down here. That's encouraging the next candle to move further down. Okay, it looks like this is gonna be is becoming support. So I gotta close the trade with a small profits. Wait a minute, it's 14. Maybe it's going down further. So no, it's not. So £4 only. Never mind. Okay, so far I'm actually making profit so far, unless none of these trades are making a loss. So the next one will be the last um, trade gonna make for this demonstration. So now what I'll do now, I'm actually waiting for it to climb back to this resistance here. If the index managed to climb further high towards this one and touching the simple moving average, that would be even better. So let's see what happens. Look at that. I should hold on to it, but never mind. It's better be safe than sorry. See, if I was holding on to this trade, this would be another £50. But I'm happy with £4 profit. It's not making a loss. Um, Here, see, that's the place that there's a signal of green, but I have to wait for that to close to let me know what is going on with the market. So do not rush into a trade. Always look for confirmations. And the confirmations always reveals at the end of a candle. Okay, get myself ready for a reverse trade. That's good. That's nice and strong upward thrust there. That shows the person who, or the organization who actually bought stock or wherever it was, wanted to buy more here. That's very positive. But 2 minute candle trading, this kind of signaling is very important. Together now, there is already two, four, six, seven. So seven candles, and there's no signals of a returning of a upward thrust. I'm waiting for a nice closing engulfing green to confirm the index is going to go back and retouch the simple moving average. When there's an engulfing green occur in this area, that will be a signal for me to end a little small correction trade. The bad thing is that the green candles settles above this. So I have a confirmation here and then another confirmation here for the index to go a bit higher towards this simple moving average. The next candle, yes, is the entry candles. My stop loss will be this one. This one will be my stop loss. In the meantime, expect the index to climb to here before there is any resistance occur, as the simple moving average is coming down to meet the candles somewhere around this area. Okay, looking good. Get myself ready. some struggle here. There's a little war fighting going on. Okay, once touching the yellow lines, I'm getting out of the trade. When I mean yellow line, I mean here, this one. It's a positive green, so I'm hold on to it. Okay, that's £29. Right. So totally within this 15 minutes, I already created also £100, £120, 120, 140, about £150. So the total profit is about £150. Okay, that will be the end of my 2 minute trading sessions of how to read the candles and using the simple moving average. Okay, I hope you enjoy this, and looking forward for more teaching in the future days. All right, bye.